Now it's time for problem solving. All of the things that we focused on for fluency are also going to be important for problem solving. So here you see some things that students may need to know about in order to be successful problem solvers for these units of measurement. I'm going to scoot out of the way so we can look at a few different word problem examples that would be important for students to set up and solve in grades 3, 4, and 5. Here we go. So here is a question where students are asked about liquid volume. The question is, which object has a capacity close to 30 cups? And the answer choices are tablespoon, water bottle, serving bowl, and cereal bowl. So here, students should have some practice with understanding what a cup is and what is the volume of a cup to be able to answer this question. On this question here, the students are asked about a dictionary. A dictionary has a mass of about 2.5 kilograms. Which object has a mass closest to the mass of a dictionary? Students here need to choose from a bicycle, a pair of boots, a refrigerator, or a bag of chips. When it gets to different measurement units, here would be a question that students might be asked to set up and solve. After a soccer game, Isaac drank a bottle of water. Which unit of measurement can be used to measure the volume of the water in the bottle? Would that be fluid ounces, grams, inches, or square centimeters? And then here is a question about conversion, which we'll focus on a lot more in the next section of this module. But let's go ahead and think about some of those early conversion activities with this question here. Mrs. Taylor wants to pour 8 quarts of juice into 16 glasses. Each glass holds 1 pint. Does Mrs. Taylor have enough juice to fill the 16 glasses? And then the answer choices might be no or yes. And then there are different reasons why that would not work or why that might. Now I would like you to think about problem solving that would be important for your students for these units of measurement. And how are you going to engage students in problem solving? Are you going to try to make it very hands-on, very real world? Are you going to ask students to do a lot of drawings? Or are you going to solve these problems more in their abstract form with numbers and symbols? Think about how you will engage students in problem solving, and I'll see you in just a minute.